Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me.
Hi y'all, I've never been so hyped in my life.
Because now it's official.
We need a charging station.
We're gonna see what this is about.
We'll have to pay for it. I'll just aside,
Because our pockets are hurting. So we're doing, you know, rid of these corny
niggas.
Yup, official. And we're breaking plates. Actually, go back after we break these plates, and we're really
It's
like,
embarrassing.
that's embarrassing.
And this is gonna be proof that we did this and we let go. So if we come back,
That's bad embarrassing. And if they see this and then they know that we went back to them, it's embarrassing.
so should we make it pretty or should we just do black?
Oh yeah, we should make it pretty, right?
Should we? Cause that's a lot of money. Baddies with a budget, but
Right.
this is gonna get broken. So.
Right. No, that's $12, really. What are you doing? You don't have cheap markers? Like, where's the Target brand? Can we use these? I think they're gonna smudge. We could open one. And just try it on the plate, see if it smudges.
It's not gonna.
Okay.
Humbled.
It's not working, guys. I'm gonna do that one.
So I think we should look. $1?
$2.
$2?
$2.
I would be saying if I was like with my ex. But...
Right. Actually, I got something from my ex last Valentine's Day. Let's talk about it. It was so cute. He got me flowers and chocolate. We're gonna go put some lashes on. I envy lashes.
I envy.
And the number
07.
There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to
We're back, guys. Public transportation queens.
We're going to 375.
It's like a chicken spot.
What's that?
I think that's us.
That's the A train. We can go though.
Taking A.
Any customers?
Oh my god. These plates are gonna crack before we break them.
I mean, honestly, open your eyes. Giving you what you need. Waste your time with me.
We're here. 375 chicken.
In it since we last kicked it. And by the way, I just got in time.
I seen a cut like a band-aid.
Yo, don't play.
Secured the bag.
Secure.
The dedication.
The dedication is real, y'all. Okay. Yo, we're redecorating the whole thing right now. What are you doing? Bro, she has a whole fucking chair.
Okay, wrist so wet I might drop. Bitch, don't talk, you going out tough. I done made 6 hair for the whole week. Plug wanna play, then I'm going OT.
She knows he's wrapping around me.
I'm hopping that scat and I'm better.
Let's get into it. Spicy, y'all. How did I just put my fries in a bag like this? That's not good.
Why they did that to you?
We're about to crouch down. We're gonna update y'all when we're doing the plates.
No, please. You saw that shit, right?
No.
Bitch, it was a rag. Like, we gotta go to the other side. Other side, please. Oh my god.
Where was it at?
It just came out of the gate.
Now she got me paranoid.
That was traumatic.
That was very traumatizing.
The rat came out and I thought it was gonna pounce on me, so I had to run.
Yo.
And Lloyd was in front of me, not knowing what was going on. Made it even worse. We gotta go. It's gonna get really intense here. Might end up crying.
In the middle.
I already spelled it wrong.
It's okay. Yo, look how she spelled it. She put Lee, y'all.
Baby, can you focus on me?
Let me go with this trauma. Where do I start? You're just some wild person.
Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain.
Hey Siri, how do you spell reciprocated?
You got it. So I finished writing my plate. Put my whole heart and soul into this. That felt very relieving, honestly.
Hey Siri.
Sorry. But yeah.
Beginnings.
No, she's not for real.
I'm so serious. That's why crying, Hazy on. Oh no, I'm crying. All love though. Word. Everybody has different ways they cope. Mine is running on a plane and slamming on the floor. Don't hate, motivate. It was like kind of hard writing because I'm just over the situation. I don't want to look back on stuff, but here's my plate. I still love your family. They can come by the house. Gotta come by themselves though. New beginnings.
Love you forever, Twizzy, but I need you to grow up and be a little bit more mature next time.
It's all love, Hazy. You know I love you. We really gang for real. Like we really family more than we was together. But you know it's alright, cause if it's true, you'll find me.
Hashtag right person, wrong time.
Right. Oh God. Cause tell me why some guy was like, Happy New Year's, beautiful. Y'all got a boyfriend? Julie gonna say yeah on the plate. Yeah, get the fuck on the plate. Look, we're gonna update you guys for real this time. Oh shit,
my
he's
God,
scared.
Lori, don't do that shit. Do that shit. Yo,
Bro, he scared me.
Shit out of me.
I don't know what you said when we was talking.
I
She was
told
like,
her that if it doesn't break, then it's a sign from God that I'm not supposed to be letting go.
and she is though, but it's okay.
But you know what I'm saying? Like if I throw it right now and if it doesn't break,
It's Sunday, January 8th, 8:26 p.m.
26.
She's letting go of from Take one, action. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Last finishing touches, y'all.
So this is my last goodbye to my baby Hazy, my Hazy baby. We go together for real. Ain't over it, not just kidding.
How do you feel?
I feel just like, you know, this is not our time. We're always arguing. It's just not it. It's hurting me. It's more hurting than loving, and that's a problem. Causing me less sleep and making me cry like almost every day. You know, make me want to unlive myself, and that's not the way. So, oh,
Not at all.
not even rhyming. I'm
Not at all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, period. Do your final touches, baby. Just be like that sometimes, yo.
feel like that.
We did it, Joe.
We did it. If it's meant to be, we'll see you guys
We will see
later.
you guys again.
But as of now,
we have let go.
right.
Peace and blessings.
Peace and blessings.
Still love y'all.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.